Yo, what's up? PJ here, and in tonight's vlog, we will test our POCO X3. Let's test kung kumusta siya sa gabi. So we are still here in Crimson Resort in Mactan. So we are using our selfie camera, 20 megapixel. So yun, low light or no light. Yun, may nakikita pa ba kayo? But still, I think okay naman yung kuha kahit medyo low light yung ating background or yung ating surroundings. And I believe okay din yung ating mic. So comment down below kung kumusta naman yung ating performance ng ating mic, kung malinaw ba. If you can still hear me loud and clear. Yan. So we will be testing our main camera, 64 megapixel yung main camera natin with ano yan, electronic image stabilization. Hopefully mas maliwanag yung ating main camera. So I'm switching to our main camera. So we are now testing our main camera, 64 megapixel in this dark area of Crimson Resort. And medyo nakakatakot ha, medyo madilim. But isog ta mga Bisaya, mga isog. So di ta mahadlok ng mga unglo, mga ungo-ungo. So I think even in the dark, we can still see some light. But medyo, you can see some jitters na. Hindi na siya clear. Very grainy. And as we walk, so I think like most of the phone, it's not that performing very well in no light and minimal light. But still, we can still get a decent shot. But it's a bit grainy. But the surrounding is actually very dark with few lights. So this is what you get sa low light. Decent naman. You can still vlog. You can still walk around with low light using your POCO X3. So what do you think, guys? Comment down below kung kumusta naman yung ating performance sa low light or no light or sa dilim using our POCO X3. So for me, I'm still getting a decent, madilim lang, but still okay. Pwede na, pasado na. You can still see some images naman sa mga video clips natin. And actually wala masyadong light kasi dito. We'll try to move forward. Dito we'll try some yung may konting lights naman so that you can compare na ayos naman yung kuha ng ating POCO X3. So I'm gonna shoot the infinity pool here in Crimson Resort. So yon, you can still see some, yon, it's coping coping up with the low light. But here may konting ilaw na, so there, as you can see, nag-adjust naman siya. You can see some great footage na, even though low light lang tayo dito sa gabi. So I'm gonna pan around for you to see the view. Yun lang yung video natin for tonight. We tested our POCO X3 sa dilim, diba? So comment down below kung ano yung sa tingin nyo. Okay ba yung performance ng POCO X3? Kahit madilim, kahit low light, I think okay, pasado naman. So pwede din siya gamitin kahit sa gabi. So thumbs up sa POCO X3. So what do you think, guys? Comment down below. Once again, my name is Peejay. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, subscribe kayo, hit the like button, comment down below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time.